What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is MTV Alex, and today it's been a long time since I worked on my bikes. So today I'm gonna be replacing the bottom bracket on my Schwinn Axum. Stay tuned. Now for this replacement, I actually went ahead and ordered some bottom bracket with the crankset and everything off of eBay, and I got a MPX11. This is a 170 millimeter crankset with the bottom bracket, and it came with the chain ring as well, which is this one right here. Now this chain ring is a NGXP style. That means it bolts onto the crankset right here, but this chain ring is 6 millimeter offset. So I paid $65 for this whole thing, and then since I didn't want to keep the 6 millimeter, I went ahead and ordered a direct mount, another one, but this is a SRAM NX, but it's only 3 millimeter offset, and I paid $20 for this one off of Amazon, so that way I can have the same setup. But about a month ago, I went on AliExpress and I ordered some spare ones, and they actually just came in today. These I paid for 2 of them, $80 for 2 of them, okay? And what I love about this is that it comes with the chain ring. It's a GF, the same style, right here. It's a 32, it's a Raceworks, and it comes with the bottom bracket and the crankset as well. And when I open this up, I actually like this better than the MPX. So it's a debate on which one I'm gonna use. Now this bottom bracket feels way better, heavier, sturdier than the actual. This one feels a little bit lighter. I don't think it'll make a big difference. These are seal bearings. So let's go ahead and get it swapped. So for this, I'm gonna use my crank puller and a combination of other wrenches to pull out the bottom bracket, because this one doesn't trade in with this one. This is gonna be for the new one. So the first that I'm gonna do is actually take away the pedals, because I'm gonna be reusing them. By the way, this thing is pretty tight in here. That thing sounds good. It's getting loose. Oh no. So that thing stripped out and it did not move at all. Hopefully my tool is still good. So I'm gonna attempt something different. brute force is all that thing needed. Oh my God. That was such a pain. I'm sweating. Now, this, of course, is loose. You're gonna loosen it the opposite way. It's gonna loose to the right. Both sides are gonna loosen up the same way. It's reverse thread. So let's see, my bearings, they are all good. Although no grease, I see no grease. Almost no grease, look at this. Bearings, I seen where people actually lose some bearings. In my case, this was still good, but look, it's almost dry. Clean this up, put on some grease on the threads. Now my question is, which one should I use? Should I use the MPX or the Raceworks? Whatever is lighter actually. 1.85 pounds, that's for the MPX 11. 1.81 pounds for the Racework. And that's with both of them with the chain ring and everything. So I guess, so it seems like if I go with the Raceworks, I'm gonna save 0.4 ounces, so I'm gonna go with that route. So I gotta actually set them up. So put a little bit of grease, metal to metal. This is all good to go. All I gotta do now, put in a little more grease on the threads. Now, before I actually put this, tighten and everything up, I want to kind of see if I need to use any spacers or not. Right now, I can see that without any spacers, this thing actually looks, let me show you, straight on my highest gear. Actually a little bit, so I might put in one spacer on this side just to compensate. So with a little bit of persuasion, I was able to take this thing off. It literally, the threads, they're so fine and they're aluminum, so it's stripped out. So I was able to use brute force. Took me a while, but finally I was able to get it dialed in. These are good to go. I gotta weigh it to see if I went under the 30 pounds. So let me, 32.02. So I was able to shave 6 pounds with this new addition. That's the last thing that I was gonna do to it so far, unless everything else is just gonna be regular maintenance. Now, if you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. If you want to support this channel, you can go ahead and down in the description buy me a cup of coffee. If you want to see more of these contents coming up, write down a comment down below. Also, I was looking into my analytics on YouTube, and 93% of you guys that are watching are not subscribed to my channel. So please, if you really want to help me out, it's free for you. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel and just leave comments on every video. That's it for this one, guys, and I will see you on the trails. Until the next one, guys, goodbye.